If you're traveling with your little one and need to install an infant car seat in your Kia Sportage without the pace, you're in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step process to ensure safe and secure installation using just the seatbelt. First, choose the correct seating position. The safest part for an infant car seat is the rear middle seat, as it's the farthest from the potential impact in a collision. However, if the middle seat isn't suitable or doesn't allow a secure installation, either of the side seats will work just fine. Now place the car seat in the rear-facing position as recommended for babies. Make sure it sits level. A proper angle is crucial to support your baby's head and neck. Next, grab the seatbelt and thread it through the belt path. Most infant car seats have a clearly labeled area for the seatbelt to pass through. Make sure the belt is flat and not twisted. Once the seatbelt is threaded, buckle it into the latch. Pull the seatbelt snug, removing as much slack as possible. A tight fit is crucial for the car seat to remain secure in case of sudden stops or collision. If you are installing the car seat on one of the side seats, you will have to lock the seatbelt in place so that it doesn't come loose while driving. In the US, all Kia Sportage models have Automatic Locking Retractor (ALR) feature, which allows you to lock the seatbelts in place, which is super beneficial for installing child seats. Slowly pull the seatbelt all the way out until you hear a clicking sound. Then let it retract while keeping tension. This engages the seatbelt's locking mechanism. With the seatbelt locked, press down firmly on the car seat while pulling the belt even tighter. You want the seat to move no more than 1 inch side to side or front to back at the belt path. Outside the United States, your Sportage may not have Automatic Locking Retractor or ALR feature. So in this case, you will have to use a locking clip to lock the seatbelt in place. If you don't have a locking clip, then it is recommended to install the car seat in the middle seat, as its seatbelt has a locking clip instead of a retractor. Finally, place your baby into the car seat and secure the harness straps. And that's how you securely install an infant car seat in your Kia Sportage without the pace. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Join for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.